right, so now we are looking at a side-side angle case with no solution. We are going to need to look at all our pieces and see what fits. First off, obtuse versus acute. If it's obtuse, it's a lot easier. If it's acute, there are 4 possibilities. If you see the angle that we have is 51, and 51 is definitely acute. So we are going to need to find this height that we looked at. And our height is 5 sine 51 degrees. That's the B times sine A is what we're looking at in this case. Okay, that's going to tell us that we've got a height of 3.9. So let's go ahead and build this. If I have, let's see, 51, that's looking like that. 51 degrees, what am I labeling? Hold on. 51 degrees in there, and that's A. I don't know what I was labeling. Then we have side B, which is 5. We'll call that 5 right there. And then our height down is 3.9. But our A is only 3.5. So that's not going to work. The other way you can look at it is by using that setup. If H is greater than A, there's no triangle. If you look at it, 3.9 is bigger than A, which is 3.5, so there is no solution. And you're done. So it's not possible to even draw a triangle, let alone, solve it. We'd be technically making that line all the way out because it would hit it at some point if it existed, but it doesn't. So that's where that H comes in. You wouldn't even have to draw it. If you saw that it was an acute angle and you found the H value, you can determine what to do with it. So next video, after this one's done, is going to be solving it where that H value does sit in the right spot, and we're going to get actually 2 solutions.